Kathy here from Kathy's Cute Creations. Today I have an unexpected video, and the reason for it is that Vicky from Creative Notions sent another kids box to me, and she wanted me to donate it to the family that I donated the last one to. So I just wanted to let you know. So if you're interested in the grandkids or nieces and nephews, or you know somebody that wants to sew and you want to get them a box to get them started, to help them out so they've got something to do, a project, and they can watch the video on how to make it, by all means stay tuned and watch this video. Let's check out and see what it is. Here's how the box looks. So let's just take a peek. First thing I see is a cup. Look at that. That's pretty neat. And I think it's actually got, it's like a double cup, like insulation, so it won't sweat. I don't know if you can see that based on the, I can see it right here, so that you can tell that it's a cup in a cup. And then we have some, oh, these are cute. All right, so I can't punch them out. Let's see if you can see them. There you go. Little shamrocks. Oh, these are cute. These little alphabet beads, these are neat because not only can you make bracelets, but you can string these along and sew them on your projects that you make. Spell your name or somebody else's name, put little beads between it. And of course, I believe TJ, if I'm not mistaken, with his name, liked this candy the last time. So who's going to bet that he's going to grab that right off the bat? Okay. Let's see what we got here. All right, let's take it all out. So I can move the box aside. Get the box out of the way. Alrighty, I don't think there's a rhyme or reason to opening everything, so let's just see what we got here. Okay. Let me get a scissors. I don't have the light on right by me here because of the glare. Hopefully it won't be too much glare with the overhead light. Alrighty, so we have some little squares here. Purple, green. Kind of put it by themselves so you can see the colors. Sort of a peach color and an aqua. See that? Let's see what size these are. Yeah, these are 6.5-inch squares. They look like they're, I'm not sure. The purple one looks a little bit bigger, so they might be oversized squares. It says block 2. Let's make another quilt block. So that's what that's for, is another block to make. Let's set that aside. And we have a cute little paper clip. Look at that with the little face on it. Isn't that adorable? Not paper clip, I'm sorry, a clip. And then this got a little squished in the box, but that's okay. These are cute. Up and look at this. Little stickers for the kids club. And little animals. See, they can put this kind of stuff on their notebooks out at school and everything. And they've got a pad. This is really good because then they can keep track of it or do little notes or whatever. I thought that's pretty neat. Alright, so we got some stickers for St. Patty's Day. Let's see. Let me open it up. She doesn't mind that I open it. She said she didn't care. That's Grandma, since I'm showing it here. Let's pull it out and take a look at it. Okay, so first, we just, now this black little circle here has fusible on it, so when you pull that off, it's sticky. And here is, now this is on cardboard. See how thick that is? The little things. And then here's the directions. It says, St. Patrick's Day foam bracelet craft. So they're going to make a bracelet with this. And I think they're going to be using this here for the bracelet. See that? It's just a guess on my part. Let's set this aside. Oh, and we got some wonder clips. That is really good. See, that teaches the young ones to use the clips right off the bat and not have to use the pins on some of their projects. Because sometimes it's hard to learn how to use these clips after you've used nothing but pens. And of course we have a pencil for that pad. It says Creative Notions. Oh, I don't know if y'all gonna be able to read that. Hold on, let me see. Because that is a black print on green. And I'm not sure if the light's going to help or not. See, to me, it is blurry in the camera. I don't think the camera can pick it up. Oh, wait a minute, let's see. No. There we go. We got it now. Creative Notions Kids Club. Let's take the glare off. See, you can't really see it, but I'll roll it for you. There you go. Okay, this camera surprises me all the time. Well, actually, it's my phone. Here's the straw. You know, this is the part that it doesn't pull out of the cup. When you get these cups and you put it on there, it won't come through. See, lots of times your straws come out all the time. I really like that since they invented those. Alright, let's see what we got here. Hung up on my paper. There we go. So here is the March. This is for March. Creative Notions Kids Club March 2020. Learning all about cotton. Here's the address to go to. I'm going to put it here at the bottom for y'all. Whoops. You can see that. So it is a pillowcase, and if you are watching or you get the Creative Notions box, you got that panel in it. And it says, let's make a pillowcase and let's make a beaded bracelet. Make it up so you can read it there. He's going to have fun doing that. And it says there are fabric to make your pillowcase, a bead kit, a snap bracelet, a treat, a pencil, and a notepad, all in green for St. Patty's Day. That is what's in the box. So let's take a look here. So here's the pillowcase, and there you know you get to insert your picture after you've made it. And then they give you some information about cotton, because you know these kids are just learning, which I think is fantastic, that you've got a little bit of learning going on with this, not just doing it, but you are learning something about it. And of course, just like the last one, there's some fun facts, printing on cotton fabric, and then there's questions for you to fill out. How to rate the project. Back it up a little bit. There we go. On the back. Get to know me. Here's for coloring. And this design is by Creative Notions All-Star member, Cameron Dawn Hare. See that? That's a cute rabbit. And then here is blocks that you can make. And then they're having you name them if you know what the name of them are. Back it up a little bit so you can see that. And of course you want to go and you want to join that Creative Notions Kids Club Facebook page so that you can share your things on Facebook. It's all about kids. And the YouTube channel, you can watch the tutorials that help you make these projects. I believe that they're made by kids too. Yep, kids helping kids out. That's what it's all about. All right, let's take a look at this fabric. Okay, I thought it opened like that, but I guess it does not. It doesn't have a sticky on it, so let's see. Alrighty, so we have some green. We have some orange. Ooh, that's some pretty orange. Look at that. Oop, and I love this fabric. Oh my gosh, look at this fabric, guys. Isn't that adorable? Oh gosh, that is adorable. Oh my gosh, look at that. He is gonna have so much fun. Oh my goodness. I don't know if he's got his last project made yet, but I'm sure with them being out of school, he's going to be making it. I don't think, I think his, I don't know who's at home watching him. Grandma's not, because she's at work. She works with me, so I know she's working. So I don't know if he's doing this at home with who's ever watching him. But I'm going to lay it all out here so you guys can see everything that came in this box. Here is everything he got. I'm going to try to get close to it so I don't get so much glare. He's going to have fun with this box. I tell you, where was Vicky when I was a child? When I started learning, I had to take my babysitting money to buy my fabrics and stuff. My mom did not sew anything, so nobody felt like it was important for me to learn how to do it. But I was determined. So I got my fabric, my sewing machine and everything with my babysitting money. Alrighty, there it is. I hope everybody liked it. If you enjoyed the video, give it a thumbs up. I know that you cannot make a comment because, you know, this is geared towards children. Maybe this one you can. You won't be able to when he does the video. I think you can say something about this one because this doesn't have any children in it. But his will have kids. So when he does his little video, if you want to say something about it, you can say it in the next regular Creative Notions film that I do. Thanks for watching, everybody. Take care. Have a good one. Bye-bye. Keep sewing.